I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where we climb Korean one useful rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 자연스러운 한국어를 같이 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 짧지만 바로 쓸 수 있는 표현을 연습해 봅시다.
Here's my problem. In English, I just say, excuse me. But in Korean, do I have to choose 아저씨, 아줌마, 아가씨, or 선생님 before I ask something? That feels dangerous.
맞아요. 호칭은 조심해야 해요. In Korean, titles can feel personal. So if you are not sure, 저기요 is a safe opener.
오늘의 핵심은 이것입니다. 호칭이 애매하면 먼저 저기요, 그리고 바로 정중한 부탁을 붙이세요.
So, 저기요 is not their title. It's like a polite attention getter before the real request.
네, 저기요는 excuse me에 가까워요. Someone nearby, not your friend, not already in conversation with you. 저기요, 물 좀 주세요. This is natural because 저기요 gets attention and 주세요 makes the request polite.
Another useful pattern is 저기요, 화장실이 어디예요? It means, excuse me, where's the restroom?
Let me try that. 저기요, 화장실이 어디예요?
좋아요. Keep the yo soft and polite. 저기요. Not too loud, not angry.
And after 저기요, do not stop for a long time. Add the request clearly, like 주문할게요. Or 이것 좀 주세요.
저기요, 이것 좀 주세요. This means, excuse me, please give me this. It is simple and very useful.
I noticed 좀 is in there. Ism like a little, but also softening the request?
맞아요. 좀 can soften a request. 이것 주세요 is okay, but 이것 좀 주세요 often sounds a little smoother in service situations.
Now, why avoid guessing titles? 아저씨, 아줌마, and 아가씨 can be sensitive depending on age, relationship, and situation.
So, if I call someone, 아줌마, and she feels too young for that, awkward. If I call someone, 아가씨, and it sounds old-fashioned or flirty, also awkward.
Exactly. 저기요 lets you avoid that risk. It is not perfect for every situation, but it is safe for getting attention from a stranger nearby.
Let's hear it in a short cafe-style dialogue. Listen for 저기요 first, then a clear, polite request. 저기요, 물 좀 주세요.
네, 잠시만요.
감사합니다.
네.
That felt very normal. Not dramatic, just 저기요, 물 좀 주세요.
네, 잠시만요. Yes, the request is clear, and the ending keeps it polite enough for everyday service situations.
Try after me. 저기요.
저기요,
Good. Now add a request. 저기요, 이거 좀 주세요.
저기요, 이것 좀 주세요.
완벽해요. One small note. 이것 often sounds like 이거 in casual polite speech, so 이거 좀 주세요 is also very natural.
So I can say, 저기요, 이거 좀 주세요. That feels manageable.
Now the catch. English speakers sometimes say 저기요 alone and wait, or they use it repeatedly like a name. That can feel awkward.
Like, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, without saying what I need. Yeah, that sounds tense.
맞아요. Say 저기요 once, then your request. 저기요, 계산할게요. This means, excuse me, I'll pay now.
Also, 저기요 is for getting attention. If you are already talking with the person, you usually do not keep saying 저기요 before every sentence.
Got it. Start the interaction with 저기요, then continue normally with polite endings.
Another boundary, 저기요 is not usually how you call a close friend. For a friend, you use their name or just start naturally.
And in a very formal office or school setting, a title like 선생님 or 사장님 may be better if you know it. But when you do not know, 저기요 is safe.
Let me check. If I'm in a restaurant and I don't know the server's name or title, 저기요, 주문할게요 is okay.
네, 좋아요. It is short, polite, and clear.
Quiz time. You are in a cafe. You do not know the staff member's title. You want to ask for water. Which is the safest natural choice?
I think A. It avoids guessing the title and actually says the request.
정답은 A예요. 저기요, 물 좀 주세요. B. Guesses a sensitive title. And C. Gets attention, but does not say what you need.
One more quick check. If you already know the person is your teacher, 선생님 can be better than 저기요. Known title beats guessing.
정리해 볼게요. 호칭이 애매하면 저기요로 시작하세요. In English, when the title is unclear, start with 저기요.
두 번째 핵심입니다. 저기요 뒤에는 바로 정중한 부탁을 붙이세요. In English. After 저기요, do not just wait. Add what you need politely.
세 번째 핵심입니다. 아저씨, 아줌마, 아가씨는 조심해서 쓰세요. In English, those titles can feel sensitive, so do not guess them casually.
마지막 핵심입니다. 알맞은 호칭을 알면 그 호칭을 쓰세요. In English, if you know the right title, like 선생님, use it. If not, 저기요 is your safe opener.
My keeper sentence is 저기요, 이거 좀 주세요. Excuse me, please give me this. I can use that today.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 저기요, 이거 좀 주세요. Next time, we will look at 선생님 as a safe, respectful title.
수고하셨습니다. Keep it simple, keep it polite, and we will see you on the next rung of Korean ladder.